Hi everyone, I'm Rod with Johnson RV. We're in Sandy, Oregon, and very happy to be able to take just a moment to review this new arrival. This is a Leisure Travel Unity in the Murphy bed floor plan. Now, if you've been researching leisure travel products, you know that they're in very high demand. They're a high quality product and very limited build, and so they'll take sometimes a year or more to get. So this is a real opportunity if you've been looking at that line. This being again a 2019 Unity Murphy bed, just in exceptional shape. Whoever had it took very good care of it. One of the nice things about this particular one is it is on the 19 chassis. Most of the 19 model year were made on an 18 chassis, and the 19 chassis is what gives you that new Mercedes E-Class interior, heated seats, power seats, large in-dash system. You've got all of the active safety features that Mercedes is famous for on this coach. So it's an exceptional opportunity, like I say. This particular one is in the champagne color. And of course, when you look at leisure travel, you know right off the bat this is a high quality product. But I want to go in, we're going to show you this floor plan. Come on in. Behind the camera today is Dustin Allen. So you can certainly, if you have questions about this unit, you can call and ask for me, Rod, or Dustin. We'd be happy to help you. Now, of course, the Murphy bed was the original Unity floor plan, and it's still their #1 seller. This one has beautiful espresso interior. You've got a nice sand-colored ultra leather interior. And of course, as we look around to the front, you'll see the Mercedes in-dash system. It's really a complete unit. Again, cast aluminum wheels. It has a generator, has the macerator system on board. This also, the folks put the automatic leveling jacks on this too. So a beautiful setup. What it's famous for essentially is that you've got this very large rear bathroom on this. So it's just a real pleasant place to take care of things. A nice full-size shower, big enough for someone my height. I'm 6'5", 6'4", I should say. Great storage in the bathroom. So you can go into the bathroom in this coach and basically take care of everything. Shower, get dressed. And if you're doing hair and makeup, of course, you can take care of that back there too. So when you're ready, you come on out and start the day. So again, about 25 feet long, all usable space in this floor plan. It has a slide out here, so it makes it nice and open when you're inside. Leisure Travel Unity Murphy bed, a 2019. Give myself a call, Rod or Dustin. We'll be glad to answer your questions. We're at 503-668-5400. Thank you.